Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about remaining GPIO port register of LPC 1768. The learning outcomes are student will be able to learn how to set high level output at the port pin configure as GPIO. Second is how to reset low level output, and third one is how to use pin value register. This is the overview already discussed in the previous video. FIO direction set register, this is already covered. Mask register covered. In this video we will discuss about pin value register, then fast output port set register, and then output port clear register. These all registers are located in the AHP bus. They all accessed by byte, half word and word sizes. Now let's start with the GPIO port output set register, FIO set. This is the 32-bit register. This port is used to produce a high level output at the port pins configured as a GPIO in an output mode. Now writing 1 produces a high level logic. Okay, so remember this, and writing 0 has no effect. So this is important point. You have to set the pin, then you have to write logic level 1 on that particular pin. This is the syntax FIO X set. Tell me what is the meaning of X? That is the port numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll take the example simple. The FIO set register is 32-bit, start from 1 to 31. This is the predefined value of the port. Predefined value means this 31 is reset, this one is reset, 16th pin is set. So we want to do what? If we want to on LED on 5th pin of port, that 5th pin, so we have to set this pin. How? P 0.5 should be set to logic level high. The port pin 0.5 is set to high logic level now. And if you will find out its hex value, then it will be like 000194423. Previously it was 19403. Now it is set, so it is 19423. So to set the pin you have to write the instruction like FIO 0 set 0000. So this is the 20. So this is hex value of this pin number. Now let's have a look how you will set the pin in simple way. We'll take simple example. We want to on the LED on 15th pin. Again this is register, predefined values. This 10 pin is set, 5th pin is reset. What about 15th pin? 15th pin is reset. Now we want to set that pin. So P 0.15 should be made set to logic level high. This pin. How? You can use left shift operator by 15. How much we will move? We'll move one at 15th position. So like this one. This pin now set to high logic. So how we will write the instruction to set 15th pin as a high? Like FIO 0 set equals to 1 left shift at 15th position. So 15th pin should be set to high. Now we'll move to the clear register, that is GPIO port output clear register, FIO clear. Again it is 32-bit register. The register is used to produce a low level output at the port pin configured as a GPIO in a output mode, because you can set or reset the pin in output mode only. Again writing 0 1 produces a low level, it clears the corresponding bit. And what about writing 0? No, it will clear the, what about writing 0? So 0 has no effect. So again, writing 1 produces a low level and writing 0 produces no effect. So this is which register? FIO clear. This is the syntax. X means, tell me, these are the port numbers. Good. Now let's take one example. FIO set, FIO clear. It's 32-bit again. So these are the predefined value. So these all are reset. 16 pin is set, 15 pin is reset. So we want to reset it. Now the predefined value is this one. If we want to off LED on 5th pin of port 0, so what we want to do? We want to off LED. So 5th pin should be reset. It is set to logic level high. So 5th pin should be reset to logic level low. This is how we want to write logic level 0. So by simply FIO clear syntax, you can write logic level 0 at this pin. Which pin? 5th pin. So after this, if you will calculate the hex value will be like 10001940 So to reset the pin logic, you have to write the instruction FIO0 clear equals to that 000000020, right? Okay, why 2? Because you have to clear the 5th pin, and you know, writing 1 means it will set, sorry, it will reset the pin, and writing 0 means there is no change, huh? So in the simple way we'll study. If you want to off LED on 15th pin, what you have to do? You have to reset 15th pin. This is the register again, predefined value. So P0.15 should be made reset to logic level low. So this is logic level high. So you can use left shift by 15 and move 1 at 15 position. I am writing move 1. Why? Because it is FIO clear register. So we have to move 1 at 15th position. So after moving 1 and 15th position, this bit will be clear. Previously it was set, now it is clear. The port pin is reset to low. So how you will write the instruction? You have to write FIO0 clear and move 1 to the 15th. So that will clear 15th position. Now we'll move to the another register, that is pin value register. This register provides the value of port pins that are configured to perform only digital functions. The register will give the logic value of the pin regardless of whether the pin is configured for input or output. Writing to the FIO pin register stored the value at the port output register. This belongs to what? No need to use both the FIO set and FIO clear register to obtain the entire return value. So simply by using FIO pin you can set or reset. Let's have a look the example. This is the register. We want to produce high logic on pin 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. We want high logic. And you know, if you want high logic, what you have to do? You have to use which operation? Already is covered. You have to use OR operation. And second is produce low logic on pin 4, 5, 6, 7. Logic level low. So for this you have to use which operation? AND operation. Okay. So OR operation used for logic level high and AND operation used for logic level low. So instruction will be like FIO 0 pin OR with 0 0 0 0 0 0 and F here, ORing with this one, and F for logic level low operation you have to use AND operation. So FIO0 pin AND operation with the FFF 0 F. So if you will convert this is in the hex, you will get F here, and if you will convert this in the hex again, you will get 0 here. So this is how we will use pin value register. Point discussed. We have discussed the output set register FIO set syntax in the two way, simpler way and normal way, and again output clear register, and last is pin value register. So let's move on to the next video.